Hi everyone! In this video you will see some vintage inspired look from the 1960s and 1970s. When you go on vacation, you're probably like me and never pack just one scarf, do you? They said two heads are better than one, so why not two scarves on one head? I will show you 3 easy retro styles using 2 scarves. And if you like retro, I have more videos and I will link it at the end of this video. And now let's tie our scarves. I'm going to use these 2 vintage scarves. For the first look, we make 2 large bands from the scarves. Tie one scarf as a headband, like this. Make a knot on the side, hiding the ends. Now tie the second scarf with a double knot to hide the first knot. For more scarf ideas, remember to subscribe. How do I look? This style I discovered is a charming way to create a swirl look from your scarves. Tie one scarf as 2 bands. Move the knot to the side. Now take the second scarf, fold it as a band, and tie it to the knot of the first scarf. Take the ends, twist it, and make a swirl. It reminds me of those Nautilus shells you find at the beach. If you like vintage, check the description of this video with some nice vintage scarves on Etsy. For the next style, I need some volume on the top to make it look more from the 1960s. I'm going to use this volumizer. We fold one scarf as a triangle, tying it behind. Then we make a band from the second scarf, twist it, and tie it like this to make a bow. If you cannot decide which of 2 scarves to wear, then simply tie them together and wear both, following my examples. Which style do you like most? I'd like to thank my friends who gave me these beautiful vintage scarves for all the help, all the support, and all these beautiful, beautiful pictures. Thank you. If you like vintage, check those videos for more vintage inspired looks. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section down below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. I hope to see you next time. Bye!